This short guide will walk you through how to add past profiles in Klaviyo. Whether you're updating your marketing strategies or ensuring no customer data gets left behind, understanding how to seamlessly integrate past profiles into your flows is essential. We'll take it step by step so you can follow along easily and get those profiles added in no time. First, let's dive into Klaviyo and find the specific flow you want to update. This step is crucial because you need to ensure that you're working within the right flow to push your historical profiles through. Once you're inside Klaviyo, navigate to the flow section where you can see all your existing flows listed. Take a moment to identify which flow needs those past profiles. Finding the right flow can save you time and prevent any mix-ups later on. Now, with your flow selected, we're going to focus on the trigger block. This block is the starting point of your flow and is typically located right at the very top of your timeline canvas layout workspace. Look for the trigger block, it's hard to miss, as it usually stands out with its unique icon and position. By clicking directly on this trigger block, you're setting the stage to incorporate those historical profiles into your flow. With the trigger block selected, shift your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find the configuration sidebar panel. It's packed with options and settings, but for now, you want to locate a specific button labeled Manage Flow. This button serves as the gateway to managing how profiles interact with your flow. Click on the Manage Flow button. This is where you'll have the opportunity to adjust settings and ensure that your past profiles can be seamlessly integrated. As you explore the options, remember that the goal is to push those historical profiles through the flow as if they were being added in real time. This ensures consistency in how your customer data is treated and how your marketing campaigns are executed. At this point, you may wonder why adding past profiles is such a valuable task. Well, integrating historical data ensures that your marketing is as comprehensive and effective as possible. It allows for a deeper understanding of customer behavior over time and can significantly enhance your targeting strategies. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review your changes and ensure everything is set up correctly. Double-check that the flow is configured to handle these past profiles as intended. This final step is your chance to make sure that all settings align with your overall marketing goals and strategies. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added past profiles to your Klaviyo flow. This process not only strengthens your data management, but also empowers your marketing efforts with richer insights. Remember, keeping your profiles updated and integrated is key to maximizing the potential of your marketing automation. Thank you for following along in this guide. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Happy marketing!